choppers everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians they don't wanna get his sparking. They go got him parking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds. He don't really do the thing.
What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are in the vet. Sean just picked up a C6. It's a fully set up drift car a couple weeks ago. So we are about to go get our first tandems in. He's never really had a car before, but I think he's picking up on drifting pretty quick. He's done a couple laps by himself, and he knows how to drive pretty well. So I think it'll take no time for him to figure out how to drive the car well. That being said, we are on our way to go meet him right now and have some fun in this parking lot, the good old Drift HQ. So we're gonna head on over there and we'll meet y'all there.
Did we already meet up with him though?
Nope.
Oh, it's the intro, okay.
just got Sean's vet out for the first time since he bought it. It's basically the same mods as this. Just all suspension shit, hydro. He's a ripper for not driving much before. It's gonna be hella good once this bitch is dialed in. Well, we got a little session in. Little session. Oh, with the scatty, brother. But don't forget it, brother. Tell him we got folks them in the background, brother. Tell him, brother. Piece of shit. You were saying something about that, yeah.
Dude doesn't even take care of his car. Look how dirty this motherfucker is.
You know what?
Your car's fucking dirty, dude.
I'm fucking cleaning it right now, motherfucker.
Do it. Nope, still there.
You got a bang sponsorship?
Nope, nope.
Yes, sir. That motherfucker teed up, boy. It's on its own special, brother. So what's up, folks?
You alright? What?
I can't see that ever again.
Sorry, dude. You wanted my city cat.
Bro, how did he...
Oh, somebody literally just sent it to me.
Ah! I can't even fucking think about it anymore.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's so gross, dude.
Dude. Oh my god. And then you get stuff on.
Alright, folks. Sean's dipping out. He's going home. Is he drifting? I literally thought he was for a second. We got a couple laps in our good old Drift HQ lot. Sean's, that's literally his first time out in that car. He's never drifted anything before besides a $2,000 Miata cart he found on Facebook that did not drift. We wanted to think it would drift, but it didn't. But he learned fast. He's going to be really fucking good once he's got some seat time under his belt. That being said, we're probably going to head out tomorrow, get a bunch more drifting. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees tomorrow, so top's coming off, baby. We're going to be out drifting, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe while you watch me struggle to put my seatbelts on, and we will see you guys in the next video.